everyone, this is Carissa Ship with the Ship team at eXp Realty, and I am here with Travis Schmidt of Fairway Mortgage, and we're going to answer a few questions for you today. Travis, so crypto is on the rise, right? And all I'm hearing, it's like the buzzword. So I have had clients ask me, can they use the money that they've made from crypto and other investments like stocks, 401, to fund their down payment? Is that something that's possible?
Yeah, absolutely. So I kind of want to break it up a little bit because you did link these together and they are very similar. So accounts like investments, 401ks, retirements, all that stuff can be used. You're just withdrawing, normal, source it, not an issue. Crypto works the same way. However, the sourcing sometimes can be an issue. So as long as you can show statements verifying how much you've had and that growth, then yeah, it can be used. But where I'm seeing downfalls or pitfalls with these is not being able to generate the statement. So just understand, got to be able to show 2 months of statements. If you can do that, you can use it. If not, then I would say go the other direction and use the investment retirement accounts.
Okay, so when you say sourcing, that means proof of...
Correct. Proof that the accounts are yours, or that the funds are yours, and how much is technically there.
Okay, awesome. So as long as we can prove it, then we can use it, right?
Yeah.
So if you have any questions about using your investments or crypto, give us a call and we'll get you hooked up. Bye.
Thank you.